Today's the day that Courtney's Mini gets new wheels and tyres, so without further ado, I'll show you what she's chosen and we'll get them fitted to the car. So, as you've seen, these are the Team Dynamics Pro Race LT in a 17x7. We went with the 17 purely because we already had two of these tyres, so we only had to buy two more for the new wheels. And these are to replace the stock Mini wheels, which currently have a set of winters fitted, which will definitely last a couple more years of winter. So those can be relegated to dedicated winter wheels because they're a bit beat up, and then these can be put on for the summer and be kept nice. These are a flow-formed wheel, so they're super light, stronger than a cast alloy, but not quite as strong or as light as a forged alloy. However, they're about half the price of a set of forged alloys, so you really can't complain.
Since two of the wheels came with tyres, it's time to get the two spare tyres that we had in the shed installed on the two new wheels that don't have tyres. These are matching 205mm Eagle 6s, and they're only a couple of mil worn from brand new. With it being the end of April, it's finally starting to warm up a bit in the UK, and while it's still frosty in the morning, it's generally above the 7 degrees Celsius required for summer tyres to work, so it's time for these winters to go. Before the new wheels go on, there's time for one last look at the old stock Tentacle Spokes, and now it's time to jack the car up and whip them off. The new wheels require spigot rings to adapt from the 73mm centre bore of the Team Dynamics to the 66.6mm of the Mini's hubs. These are already looking like a huge upgrade from this sneak preview, but stay tuned to the very end to see what they look like on the car. With them all bolted on, the last thing to do is to put the stickers on the final two centre caps and fit them to the wheels, and then we can go and have a look at it.
That's it for this video. The Mini's wheels and tyres are looking pretty sick. If you like the video, leave a comment, like, subscribe and all that stuff, and I'll see you in the next one.
Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just get buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it's squeezed till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life